How to make a professional YouTube thumbnail for your videos. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to make a professional YouTube thumbnail for your videos. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is you will go to a platform known as Canva.com. Canva is an online designing tool that allows you to edit videos, create presentations, create logos, YouTube banners, and thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So I will show you how to create a professional YouTube thumbnail for your videos using Canva. It's also a free platform. If you do not want to buy Canva Pro, you can use all the features for free. And Canva is also beginners friendly. That is why I wanted to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail banner as a complete beginner on Canva. So what is a YouTube thumbnail? A YouTube thumbnail is an image that we add on YouTube videos. You can see our channel has very good thumbnails, and you can see this is what a thumbnail looks like. It helps us get more views and get clicks on our videos. So how to create a professional YouTube thumbnail, and the size for YouTube thumbnail is going to be 1280 by 720. On Canva.com, what we can do is we can go ahead and click on custom size and add the size for our thumbnail. Or what we can do is we can go to the template section here to get the layout and also get inspiration of different thumbnails. So what we can do is we can search right here, YouTube thumbnail, and it will take me here. You can see we have a lot of different templates available, and you can see this is a pretty good template to create YouTube thumbnail. I will be creating a thumbnail for, let's say, how to make money on YouTube. That is my title of the video, and I will be creating a thumbnail for that. Let's click on a blank canvas so that I can show you from the scratch how to create a template. Now I will get my inspiration from here. You can see earn more money. This is a good, thumbnail that we have per day, easy, okay. So I'm actually checking out different templates to see that, okay, this is how you create a YouTube thumbnail. So here we are inside our Canva editor. You can see we have template option, elements, upload, text, style, logos, and more. In templates, again, we have all of the different templates available. In elements, I will be able to add photos and graphics. We can add stickers, videos, audio, charts, and frames. Then we have grids, everything. Then we have upload, where I can upload image. We have text, style, and logos. Let's get to the template here. And first of all, we have to change the background color. So the background color for my thumbnail is going to be yellow. So I'm going to select the yellow color from here, but I'm going to go to the color panel and select a very bright yellow color, this one. So this is going to be the background. I'm actually looking for an inspiration from this one right here. Now we can add, first we have to actually select a background. So you can see I'm going to go ahead and add these lines by just going to the elements, and what we can do is, and we can search for lines, and then we can add them right here. You can see these are separate lines that I've added here. You can just search for, lines inward and something like this, and then you can add it to your background. So you can see the color is blue for these. You can see this is what I have selected. It's a photo. And on our photo, we have added these elements. So let's actually see if I can switch them to a yellow color. So you can see how they've added different elements to this for creating a YouTube banner. So this is what it looks like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go with this. I selected a template from here and got rid of all the elements so that I can actually work on it. So this is our background. Now we can add the text first, because text is an important part of a YouTube thumbnail. That's what people look for, and they read what the video is about. So as I told you, my, the text that I wanted to go for is how to make money on YouTube. And I'm going to add them separately so that I can work with these texts separately and add different fonts to them if I want. Make sure to write the text, and then you will get it like this. I'm going to arrange the text here. How to make money on YouTube. First of all, let's change the font for all. So I'm going to click on the font section here and select a font, which is a bold font. And I'm going to select the same one for this one, and then the same one for this one. Now we have our font ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually make it italic so that it has that look into it. Now it's done. I will change the color for make money. Click on the text color, and I'm going to give it a yellow color so that it pops out. How to make money on YouTube. Perfect. Let's make our text a little bigger, like this, and like this. Let's place it. Okay, so this is what the text looks like. Now I'm going to do another thing, which is going to be making my text a little tilt. I don't want it to be all, right. So what we can do is we can tilt it a little bit so that it kind of like moves towards inwards, or we can just place it like this. I'm going to add another element, which is going to be going to the element section, lines and shape, and I'm going to select this shape right here to add in the background of my text. For this, I'm going to change the color to white right here. Okay, so the yellow color for my text needs to pop out. So I'm going to go right here and select a very dark yellow. Perfect. So I'm going to just adjust the text now, like place it here. You can see. Then we can change our background, the element, make it a little smaller and adjust it according to the size like this. Let's place how to here, and then we have on YouTube. So this is my text for my YouTube video. Now we need to add a few of the other elements. I'm going to again add this. Let's add another one. So I'm going to do the same thing to both of these. Place them behind my text and change the color to yellow like this. And now I will adjust the size and adjust the text in a second. So this is what my text looks like. I'm going to do another thing, which is going to be selecting the text here. And then you're going to click on effects and add shadow. So you're going to add shadow to all of the text and click the shadow color and select black. So it will make it like this. So I'm going to do that to all of the text that I have added. Go to effects, go to shadow, and change the shadow color to black. Perfect. So this is what it looks like. And now what we need to do is we need to add an image right here. So it's about money. What I can do is I can go to the elements and I can search for making money. If you have travel channel related thumbnail, you can search for travel. If you have any kind of category, you will select for that and you can search for any word you want to. So I have selected making money to see what it comes up with. Or what I can do is I can select for a surprised person, surprised face. Okay, so we have these different elements like this. This is a photo. Okay, we have this. So we have this person right here. Oh, there is a background removed already. So I can just add this person and I think my thumbnail will be ready. So you can of course adjust the size for the person according to you. I'm just going to add him right here. Perfect. So we can add this person to create a thumbnail, or we can search for different images, like this. You see people on thumbnails, and this is how we add them. If you want to remove the background, you need a pro version, but I will suggest just going for an element that already has a background removed. Or if you have a travel channel, you can just like search for travel here and it will give you different elements. You can add maps to your thumbnail, you can add these cute things. And let me actually give you an example. Let's say I have a music channel, so what I can do is I can just like add this one right here. If you have like a podcast or something, so you can create a thumbnail like this. Once your thumbnail is ready, what you need to do is you will click on this share option, click on download and download it as a PNG. It's a simple image and we get the option on YouTube to add a thumbnail to the video. Once it's downloaded, then you will upload the video on YouTube and then add a thumbnail. It will help you get more views and you will be able to create a professional YouTube channel. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.